Hello everyone, welcome back. I think we'll finish it up with this one. Again, we're in the course class and I asked you to do a couple of things. The first was in this little make a lab utility, which queries the user for the name and the points earned, points possible. I asked you to make an assignment score object, which I've done right here, and to return it. So that was really all that's necessary. This could be done a bit differently. Instead of having this variable here, if you wanted to just return the new object itself, that works perfectly fine too. So either way works, and either way is fine. And then up here, where the users told us to create the new lab, I asked you to call make a lab and take the assignment score object and add it to the Sophie student. And that's how it's done. Just call the add method. I did go on and capture the return value here. We're not really using it, but that's good practice to capture those things instead of return them. I've seen some really interesting war stories about people who did not check their return codes. But again, we're not doing anything with it here. And also, again, instead of using a temporary variable here, we could have just said Sophie.add make a lab keyboard, and the object reference would have been passed to the add method and so forth. The last step, part of step 8, was actually to uncomment this loop, which is commented out in the starter code. I went ahead and did that. And so let's see if this thing really works still. And I will run it as a Java application. And we will want to enter a lab for Sophie. L0 can be our lab name. Maybe there were 88 points earned out of 99. I want to make another lab for Sophie. Maybe this one's L1. And 97 points earned out of 100. And now I can see the scores of Sophie. And yes, it does still work. So we can talk more about this in our meeting Tuesday. If we have a meeting Tuesday, I've just been told the schedule's going to change again. So I'll watch your mail. It's probably going to change. But when we have the Writing Classes Better lecture, whenever that is, then we'll talk more about this. Hope this helped. See y'all later.